The National Disaster Management Agency NADMA has released the updated list of designated hurricane shelters across the country to coincide with the start of the 2025 Atlantic hurricane season. There are some key changes this year compared to last year, with the number of shelters being adjusted in several parishes. Carriacou now has 7 shelters, one less than in 2024, while Petite Martinique has 1 shelter, also down by 1 from last year. St. Andrew currently has 26 shelters, a decrease of 1. In contrast, St. David has seen an increase, now offering 13 shelters, 4 more than in 2024. The number of shelters in St. Patrick remains unchanged at 12. St. George, the parish with the highest number, has 35 shelters, 1 less than last year. St. John has added 2 new shelters, bringing its total to 12, and St. Mark now has 4 shelters, including 1 that is newly added. In an address to mark the start of the hurricane season, Disaster Coordinator Dr. Terence Walters reminded citizens of the destruction caused by Hurricane Beryl in 2024, urging the population to use the experience as motivation to better prepare. He noted that NADMA has significantly strengthened its disaster response capabilities over the last 6 months, placing a particular focus on enhancing human resources through training and education.
The National Disaster Management Agency continues its focus on preparedness to enhance its ability to respond to hazards and disasters. The agency has boosted its capacity in the areas of transportation, emergency supplies, power generation, and emergency communication. The agency believes that preparedness at the district level is critical. The 17 districts have been strengthened through the provision of generators, chainsaws, and other basic equipment that can be used for response. In addition, 42 persons were trained in CERT, which is Community Emergency Response Teams, and that was in 2024.
Dr. Walters emphasized that the agency is now better positioned to manage catastrophic events thanks to improvements in operational readiness, community outreach, and collaboration with key partners.
These individuals will serve as valuable human resources in our communities. NADMA continues to collaborate with first responders and stakeholders. These include the Royal Grenada Police Force, including the Coast Guard, Ministry of Health, other ministries, Caritas, ADRA, Grenada Red Cross, St. George's University, the fuel companies, utility companies, private sector, statutory bodies, and all our volunteers across Grenada, Carriacou, and Petite Martinique. In addition, the agency collaborates with the Caribbean Disaster Emergency Management Agency, that's NADMA, and other regional and international organizations.
He stressed the importance of individual and community preparedness as essential components of national resilience. NADMA is encouraging all residents to familiarize themselves with the shelter locations in their area, update their emergency plans, and ensure their homes are storm ready. The agency also encourages the public to monitor official information sources for weather updates and advisories throughout the season. Reporting for GBN News, Beverly Telesford.